Hi, I'm Jacqueline Vasquez with Keller Williams Village Square Realty. And today I just wanted to share what we learned from 2025, the New Jersey real estate market right here in Bergen County specifically. And this isn't market talk, this is actual NJMLS data. Because in Bergen County, we don't guess, we analyze. All right, let's get to it. So let's see the price trends, how far we've come. And so let's start with the big picture in home prices. So looking at Bergen County, the median close price climbed into the mid 800s range in 2025. So that's just continuing a very strong upward trend that we've seen since 2016. So that means home values have nearly doubled in less than a decade. That's really amazing. So if you bought your home years ago, you didn't just buy real estate, you actually bought like a wealth building asset, which is amazing. So I had a conversation with someone from a 2008 that bought a home in 2008. And to those homeowners who bought that, I know that when prices felt like they were at their peak and the market was uncertain, I really got to tell you, many people were worried that they had bought at the top of the market. But here's what 2025 has showed us, that if you've purchased back then and you held on to it, your whole value today has fully recovered and has actually surpassed those previous high numbers. So for those who stayed the course, your home didn't just come back, it actually grew, which is a great thing. So that's the power of long-term real estate ownership here in Bergen County. Good news to that. When was the market the hottest? So let's take a look. Highest months were June, July, August during the summer months, with August reaching 572 sales. So what does that tell us? Buyers were still very active, especially during the spring and summer, which is normally the peak of the real estate market. So if you listed in February, you started a little early, but that's okay. And if you listed in August, you were brilliant. And if you listed in November, you probably just love your house a lot. But anyways, what were the market conditions? Inventory really stayed low. Even with the higher interest rates, home continues to sell steadily throughout the year. So that confirms that what we have experienced all year. It's still a seller's market. Demand is strong. Inventory is still tight. And that's exactly why a lot of sellers remain in control throughout 2025. It's still a very strong seller's market. I wanted to talk about luxury, the luxury market. So these are homes priced at 1 million and above. So in 2025, we recorded, let's take a look here. There were 1,702 homes sold. The median price was 1.5. The average price was 1.79. It's about 100% of the original asking price and an average days on the market of 42. So that tells us that luxury market didn't slow down. It became even more competitive. That's amazing. And actually, compared to 2024, Bergen County, it actually, I think there were 1,387 homes that were sold. The median was 1.46 and the average sale was 1.71, and homes sold for 102.8 of asking price. And an inventory just sat for 2 months. We saw some increase in 2025, higher home selling over asking, and inventory is really tight. So less time on the market. So in simple terms, there's more luxury sales, higher luxury prices, less inventory. It's a really stronger seller advantage. Yeah, that's exciting. And what were the three towns that contributed to this? So we have here the towns that had the highest sales volume for homes over 1 million were Ridgewood, 220 homes sold at 1.265 was the median price. Wyckoff at 146 homes, and the median price was 1.1735. And then Upper Saddle River, 105 homes sold, and it was 1.560. So these towns are the Bergen County's $1 million market, where families are really actively buying and selling and upgrading. So that's exciting. And for those chasing the ultra luxury, Saddle River recorded the highest median price at 2.47, with the top sale reaching 8.4 million. And Alpine obviously continues to lead the state in record-breaking luxury sales, including an $11.1 million sale in 2025. Definitely luxury and Alpine, Saddle River, with more activity though, higher volume there, higher activity in Ridgewood, Wyckoff, and Upper Saddle River. So that's where the market truly moves. So we have next. So what are some of the what key takeaways? Prices continue to rise. We have buyers who are more active during the summer. Inventory remained tight. That's why we saw an increase in numbers. The luxury markets grew stronger and stronger. So if you own in real estate in Bergen County, you did very well in 2025. And if you're thinking of selling or upgrading, Bergen County continues to be one of the strongest markets and luxury markets in the state. Yeah, if you want something specific for your town, or you want to understand what this means for your home value or your next move, I'd love to help. I'm Jacqueline Vasquez, your Bergen County listing specialist, and I look forward to guiding you through your next real estate decision. Thank you.